Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure you have administrator access. This is required to change notifications. Once ready, open Kaspersky from the System tray or Start menu so you see the main dashboard. You do this because the settings we need are only visible inside the app interface. Having other apps paused prevents confusion when prompts appear. Once the dashboard is visible, move on to the Protection or Settings panel. Make sure you can switch tabs without being timed out. Now navigate to Settings and choose Notifications or Protection Notifications, depending on your Kaspersky version. You should toggle off the exact alerts you don't want, for example update prompts or promotional messages, rather than a blanket disable, because selective toggling keeps important security warnings active. Once done, consider enabling quiet mode or lowering priority levels to suppress pop-ups during presentations or gaming. Make sure to apply or save changes so the new preferences persist after a restart. Finish by restarting Kaspersky to ensure settings take effect, and then test by triggering a harmless update or scan to verify notifications are suppressed. If alerts still appear, check Windows notification settings and task scheduler tasks that might re-enable Kaspersky prompts. Sometimes companion apps reset preferences. If something goes wrong, restore the notification defaults and repeat selective changes, and make sure critical security alerts remain enabled so you don't miss important protection messages.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.